Hi, this is my quick overview of how you can use technology to improve the quality of written work. And for some students, no matter how bright and gifted they are, they really struggle to write a good quality piece of work. And this can be for many different reasons. Some have a poor pencil grip, which means it really hurts their hand. Some are really slow, so that it just takes them a long time. Some write so badly it's illegible and nobody can mark it. And others, their spelling is so bad that even if it's neat, no one can see what they're trying to say. And for others still, they just can't get what's in their head down on paper easily. So no matter what the reason, anything we can do to help students produce good quality written work is really worthwhile. And the reason why it's so important is many students spend a disproportionate amount of time producing written work and then get really poor grades. And this is so discouraging. And if it continues over time, it can lead bright students to believe that they're stupid and they give up on education. And I've seen this happen all too often. And this is why I do a lot to help students just achieve better quality work. So what is in their brain, what they're capable of, is actually what goes on the piece of paper that's handed in. Now, thankfully, there are loads of brilliant solutions that will help you, and I'm going to give you a very quick overview of them. The first one is dictation. I love dictation. I use it every day. It makes me so much more efficient because dictating is so much quicker than even typing, let alone writing. The other thing I love about it is it spells everything correctly for me, so I don't have to worry about spell check and correcting things. That's brilliant. They're the two things that make it absolutely brilliant for me. Something else that you should know now is there are lots of free good dictation solutions. Just a couple of years ago, you couldn't rely on the free solutions, but more and more you can because they're actually getting good. However, no dictation solution is without its problems. And I definitely have created a video to let you know what you need to watch out for when you use dictation solutions. The biggest caveat, however, I would give you isn't that it can sometimes be inaccurate. It's if a child or a student doesn't have an access arrangement that allows them to dictate their exams, then you've got to be very careful about teaching it to students who might then become dependent on dictation and might not persevere with typing because it's easier to dictate. If they cannot dictate in formal exams, you're not setting them up for success. So I use it all the time, but then again, I'm not doing formal exams. I'm using it to create emails, to write blogs, but I am not using it in formal exams, and I probably wouldn't get access arrangements to do so. Now, a much easier access arrangement to get is my second option, which is typing. Typing is brilliant. I could talk about it for hours. This is a quick overview. I would recommend you watch my quick overview of the benefits of touch typing, and I'll leave it at that. But I feel every dyslexic should learn to touch type, ideally before they get into secondary school. The third piece of technology that can really help is mind mapping. And this is brilliant for just capturing ideas and structuring them. And there are even brilliant free mind mapping solutions. So definitely watch out for the video I haven't yet created, but will create about that. And finally, if you want to help children just learn to write better, do their cursive writing better, there are numerous apps and solutions to help with writing. And even though I absolutely love touch typing, you have to learn to write. So I hope that you can see the benefits of helping students get better at creating good quality written work. Truthfully, I haven't created all these videos yet. So what I'm going to suggest is in the comments, you tell me which of the solutions or the types of solutions I've talked about is of most interest to you. And I know not everybody's really happy to comment. So I'm going to put a quick survey in here. Tell me which one is more important to you. Dictation, touch typing, mind mapping, or handwriting. If you let me know, I will use this to help me decide which videos to produce next. I do hope you found this video useful. Please share it with anyone you know who could benefit. I'd be very grateful if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as doing so really helps others find this information. If you hit the bell button once you've subscribed, you'll be notified when I create new videos. I've produced some comprehensive free resources to help dyslexics achieve. Details on how to download them are below. Let's work together to help all learners achieve.